Hello everyone, you are welcome by Dr. Virpal Singh in our today class. And you know well, we are conducting a class in previous lectures on the alkane. Okay, now we are conducting the class on the physical property of alkane. जी हाँ, आज हम एल्केन की फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी के बारे में डिटेल स्टडी करने जा रहे हैं. और so we are going through the physical properties of alkane. First of all, we try to know what is the alkane and what is the nomenclature and common formula of alkane. The alkane are the acyclic saturated hydrocarbons, and so they are called paraffins because their nature is just like a wax, so they are called paraffins. Since they are relatively unreactive and very less reactive toward the most of the reagents such as acid, bases, ऑक्सीडाइजिंग एज वेल एज रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. जी हाँ, ये ऑक्सीडाइजिंग और रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट के साथ बहुत कम या बिल्कुल ना के बराबर क्रियाशील हैं, और ये किसी भी एसिड और बेस के साथ भी बिल्कुल कम क्रियाशील हैं, या फिर कहें कि ये क्रियाशील नहीं, उनके प्रति कोई क्रिया नहीं करती. जहाँ तक इनके नामकरण की बात है, यूँ तो नामकरण की 3 विधियाँ हैं, जिसमें कि ट्राइबल, डेराइव और आईपीएसी. बट आज के ट्रेंड के हिसाब से आईपीएसी सिस्टम ऑफ नोमेनक्लेचर इज द वैलिड एंड मोस्ट एक्सेप्टेबल सिस्टम, सो दे आर नेम बाय आईपीएसी सिस्टम. एंड द जनरल फार्मूला फॉर द एल्केन इज CnH2n+2. जी हाँ, यहाँ Cn नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम है और H2n+2 यहाँ नंबर ऑफ हाइड्रोजन एटम है. तो इसका मतलब हुआ कि जितने कार्बन परमाणु होंगे उसके डबल से 2 अधिक कार्बन परमाणु, हाइड्रोजन परमाणु एल्केन में होने चाहिए. अब बात आती है फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एल्केन की, जैसा कि आज की हमारी क्लास का ये टॉपिक है. तो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टी ऑफ एल्केन जैसे कि बॉइलिंग पॉइंट, मेल्टिंग पॉइंट, डेंसिटी एंड सॉल्युबिलिटी, इसके बारे में एल्केन की क्या नेचर है, इसकी क्या ट्रेंड है, इसको हम समझने की कोशिश करेंगे. तो सबसे पहले, दीज प्रॉपर्टीज डिपेंड अपॉन द इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्सेस ऑफ अट्रैक्शन. जी हाँ, एल्केन के अंदर किसी अन्य प्रकार के फोर्सेस नहीं होते, बल्कि इनके अंदर इंटरमोलिकुलर फोर्सेस ऑफ अट्रैक्शन होते हैं, जो कि एल्केन आर मोस्ट नॉन पोलर मॉलिक्यूल बिकॉज ऑफ द कोवेलेंट नेचर ऑफ कार्बन कार्बन बॉन्ड एंड कार्बन हाइड्रोजन बॉन्ड. बिकॉज एल्केन के अंदर 2 ही प्रकार के बॉन्ड होते हैं, जिसमें कार्बन कार्बन कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड होता है और कार्बन हाइड्रोजन कोवेलेंट बॉन्ड होता है. इन दोनों ही कोवेलेंट, जो कि नॉन पोलर कैटेगरी के होते हैं, की वजह से एल्केन मॉलिक्यूल के बीच में और किसी प्रकार का कोई अट्रैक्शन बॉन्ड नहीं होता. ये केवल मात्र इंटरमॉलिक्यूलर फोर्सेस ऑफ अट्रैक्शन, जिन्हें कि हम वान डेर वाल फोर्सेस ऑफ अट्रैक्शन कह सकते हैं, की वजह से ही इनमें इनके बॉइलिंग, मेल्टिंग, डेंसिटी और सॉल्युबिलिटी को एक्सप्लेन किया जा सकता है. These intermolecular forces of attraction are of van der Waals type of nature, which mainly depend upon the shape of the molecule, hence the structure of molecule. जी हाँ, जो कि मॉलिक्यूल की शेप, आकृति और स्ट्रक्चर पर डिपेंड करते हैं. The magnitude of these van der Waals forces of attraction depend upon the surface area of contact between adjacent molecule. Greater the surface area, stronger are the van der Waals forces of attraction between or amongst the molecule. Solubility depend upon the intermolecular forces of attraction, since alkene are almost non-polar molecule because of the covalent nature of carbon-carbon covalent bond and carbon-hydrogen covalent bond, and very little difference of electronegativity between carbon and hydrogen. Therefore, these intermolecular forces of attraction, which are van der Waals forces, which mainly depend upon the shape and hence the structure of molecule, The magnitude of these forces of attraction depend upon the surface area of contact between the adjacent molecule. Greater the surface area, stronger are the wonderful forces of attraction. So, as we have discussed in detail in this, under this point of wonderful forces of attraction, it depends on the slightly difference in the electronegativity of carbon and hydrogen bond and surface area of molecule. So, greater the surface area, stronger will be the wonderful forces of attraction. So, the first we take the boiling point as a physical property and try to explain this physical property almost amongst the straight chain alkane. The first four members C1 to C4 are gases. The next 13 are liquids. Next 13 are liquids C5 and C17, and the higher member 18 onward are colorless, waxy solids. The boiling points of straight chain alkanes increases fairly regularly with increase in their molecular masses. So second point is, again next point is कि molecular masses of the alkene molecule also play a great role in a boiling point calculation. The difference in the boiling point is however greater for the lower homologous than the higher homologous. This regular increases in boiling point of a straight chain alkane with increase in the carbon content is due to the corresponding increase in the molecular size and hence the surface area of the molecule. As a result, the magnitude of the van der Waals forces of attraction raises up, hence the boiling point increases accordingly. Almost amongst the isomeric alkane, the branch chain isomer has invariably the lower boiling point than the corresponding N-alkane. This is due to the reason that with the branching, the shape of the molecule tends to approach that of a sphere. As a result, the surface area of the branch isomer decreases due to lesser surface area of these molecules. The van der Waals forces of attraction operating between their molecules because of become comparatively weaker and hence lesser amount of energy is required to overcome them. Here these are the straight chain and these are the branch chain, and branching increases accordingly. The boiling point N-pentane BP is 36 degrees centigrade and isopentane BP is 28 and neopentane BP is 10 degrees centigrade. So as the branching is increases, similarly as the branching is increases, the boiling point is also decreases. As a result, the boiling point of the branch chain isomer are lower than those of the corresponding N-alkane. Greater the branching, lower the boiling point. Next important physical property is melting point. The melting point of alkane also increases with increase in carbon content, but the variation is not regular. Alkane with even number of carbon atoms have higher melting point than those with odd number of carbon atoms. The melting point of the substance depends not only upon the size and shape of the molecules but also upon how closely the molecules are packed in crystal lattice. But due to sp3 hybridization in alkane, any two bonds of a carbon atom make an angle of 109 degree 28 minute with one another. As a result, in an alkane the carbon atoms are arranged in zigzag chain rather than in a straight chain. Therefore, in an alkane containing an even number of carbon atoms, the two terminal methyl group lie on the opposite side of the zigzag chain. In case of an alkene having odd number of carbon atoms, the two terminal methyl group will lie on the same side of the zigzag chain. Thus, it is clear that N alkanes with an even number of carbon atoms are more symmetrical than those of containing odd number of carbon atoms and hence packed closely in crystal lattice. In other words, van der Waals forces of attraction are much stronger in N alkanes having even number of carbon atoms than those having odd number of carbon atoms. Therefore, N alkanes with even number of carbon atoms have much higher melting point than next lower N alkene with odd number of carbon atoms. The next important physical property is solubility. Alkanes which are predominantly non-polar are insoluble in polar solvents such as water, alcohol, etc. What are highly soluble in non-polar solvents such as petroleum, ether, benzene, carbon tetrachloride, etc. Greases are mixture of higher alkene and hence are non-polar and hydrophobic, water repellent in nature. Similarly, petrol is a mixture of lower alkene. Thus, both petrol and greases are non-polar. It is because of this reason that petrol is used for dry cleaning of cloth to remove grease stains. Density. This is the next important physical property, the density of alkane. The density of alkane increases with increase in the molecular masses. All alkanes are lighter than water. So, thank you for today classes and to attend my class. So, but I'd like to remember you. Please like and subscribe my channel for my all previous lectures. And if you want to get information of new lecture, please मेरी बेल आइकन को जरूर दबाएं. थैंक यू.